Here at Recast Software, we're releasing version 4.5 of the right-click enterprise tools. In this new version, we have added the feature of trends, which will take your dashboards and allow you to see different trends that are going on, as well as some new security right-click tools. First, I'm going to show you the trends. Now, I just installed this a couple days ago, so I don't have a whole lot going on yet, but over time, this will start populating a lot of data. We have the three dashboards that you might recall: the AD cleanup, the BitLocker, and the local admin password solution, or LAPS, dashboard, which will bring visibility into your environment of what's going on. Now, what Trends does is it allows you to take a snapshot and start trending to see if you're moving up or down. And you can create different trends for your different dashboards. So on here, I've got one general lapse compliance, and then I've got one for servers, which is 0%, and I've got one for workstations, which is doing much better. So with that, you can also do the same thing for AD cleanup and the BitLocker. And coming soon, your software updates. The nice thing about this is if you have different teams responsible for different machines or different collections, you can set them up with different trends to see how their progress is coming along with being in compliance. You can go through, and inside of trends here, inside of the administration, you can actually see the different ones you have set up, and you can go ahead and delete, or you can create new ones. Snapshots will be all the different snapshots that will then create the trends boards here, which will then bring you to the nice view. And then once you click on a one of the periods in time, it will actually bring you to that, so you can drill down and see exactly the information that was provided. So here I can see that for my physical machines, I've got one machine that has no key stored in Active Directory for BitLocker, and then I've got 7 machines that do and that are compliant. Going over to the console, we've got new security tools here. So we're going to go ahead and go into security tools, remote Windows security. So what this is going to do is it's going to have 3 different categories for this initial release: BitLocker, TPM, and Virtualization-Based Security. On the BitLocker tab, it's going to show you the different computers that you've selected and categorize them into different rows. So I've got 5 computers here that are protected with a XTS AES 256, and they're fully encrypted. And I've got one here that is not encrypted on the D drive, and one that is not, actually a couple that are not encrypted here with the C drive. So I can go ahead and I can go and take action on these. I can take my computer here, I can go up to this little box, choose to encrypt, click on encrypt. I'm going to do select the volume, so I can pick system. Here we can pick the different security. I'm just going to choose TPM, and I want a recovery password. Here I'm going to keep it at the highest rating, and I want full disk. So I'm going to go ahead and click next, click encrypt, and now it's going ahead and starting that process for me. And that's just how easy it is to go ahead and get this done. Down here in TPM, it will show me now the different TPM versions that I have out in my environment. And then if they're activated, enabled, owned, and if they're ready. So I've got some work to do on those too. Virtualization-based security, it will go through here and let me know that I've got Windows virtualization-based security enabled, and then the different options for the security set. So I'm looking pretty good there from a Windows standpoint. Those are the new major features here in release 4.5. Come back for our webinar where we're going to dig in a lot deeper and work with the developers to actually show you what they've done. Look forward to seeing you again.